saying hi?
Hi.
Who are you saying hi to? Oh, don't worry, I already saw it. What are you
Kitty
doing?
cat.
It is Kitty Cat. Okay, so who are you saying hi to?
Me.
You weren't supposed to say
Hi,
hi.
Doria. Hi, Doria.
And who else?
Mommy.
And who else?
Me. And who else?
I thought you were saying hi.
No, me.
You're a brat.
You right.
You wanted to get in the computer to say hi to Aunt Lulu. Now you don't want to say hi?
Hi, Aunt Lulu.
There you go.
Mimi.
And do you want to say happy birthday to Daddy?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
And what else?
Mimi.
Say hi to Mimi.
Hi, Mimi.
Say we'll see you this weekend.
This weekend.
You gonna hang out?
Yeah.
What are you and Mimi gonna do?
You. Mommy.
What are you gonna do with Mommy?
Hi, Mommy.
Oh. Hi.
What
All
are you
right,
doing?
blow kisses. Good job.
The hug.
Hugs? Okay. Good job. Say bye.
Bye.